All right. So, well, no introduction needed. You're here for a reason. You already know what it is. It's everybody's overwhelming favorite. The Goosky S1 is the entry-level noob starter heli. It was my first one. This thing has had hundreds of flights and dozens of crashes. 90% of the time, you just dust it off and keep flying. But I do keep a bag of crash memories, and the majority of the things that do end up getting wrecked are these, and I don't know if that's by design or what, but these are very crumpleable. That's a word. Tail boom, skids, and the swash plate guide. They're just horrifyingly cheap. A lot of times, even when I'm replacing them, I end up breaking and wrecking it. So I went and ordered a whole bunch of upgrades for Micro Heli. I got the Bluetooth here. People who say, "Oh, hot glue has no place in the hobby," baloney. There it is, and it's holding strong just as good as the day I put it in there. It's not going anywhere, folks. Works just fine. Crash memories. Everyone should keep a bag of crash memories for all their crash. Plus, it also helps you catalog what you're replacing often. And some things you shouldn't be replacing. Like this. The servos are overpriced, underperforming pieces of crap. And Goosky gets away with it. Anyways. So, I ordered these from Micro Heli. Their website is filled with lots of great upgrades and kits for the M1, the S1, the M2, and the S2. I got mostly S1. These will be compatible with an M1, I'm sure. Blades. Carbon fiber plastics. Got several sets, actually. This one I'm really excited about giving a shot. This is a carbon fiber tail boom for the Goosky S1. Hopefully this will alleviate the problems I have with crumpling everything every time it takes a hard dip into the ground. Comes with an anti-rotation guide, carbon fiber, nice and metal. Unlike the this cheap plastic one, this should actually install and set in nicely and be able to take a little bit more than a little hit. Looking forward to that. Canopy mounts here. Tail boom. Very small. Oh yeah. Now that's going to be frustrating because I'm going to have to run the wires through it. That means I got to cut and resolder. Anyways, it's not like I haven't wrecked these before already. I got already have to do. It's nice to have that on hand too. I added an ERLS module. This is a Radiomaster RP2. I converted all my helicopters over to ELRS. I love it. Anyways. This is another thing that crumples and crashes. And that would be the landing skids on the S1. They just, every little tiny, and you're constantly picking it up, you're bending it back straight, and they wear out so easily. So I'm going to get these nice little landing skids put on the thing too as well. Let's see how they hold up. Weight wise, I mean if you're a weight weenie, I don't know, now you're going to start counting grams. I don't. My skill level isn't anywhere near high enough to care. This thing has crazy power to weight ratio anyways. So yeah, those are reasonable instructions. If you're wanting cheap or expensive, I don't think they cared either way. It'll work. It's a tail motor. This will be the fin. And again, I haven't had any issues with mine, but this will give options of extending the motor out a little bit further or bringing it in closer. There you go. Yeah. There you go. See if that gets into focus for you there. Right. So there you have a small amount of adjustment. So you can slide it forward or back. Not a whole lot, but for some people that may make all the difference in the world in your performance. And then I got a few extra tail booms. Again, it's not going to be fun taking this apart, running that wire all the way through. I don't know. I'll come up with something, I'm sure. Coat hanger would almost be too big, but we'll see what we can do. Mostly, though, I'm really excited about the landing gear. Hopefully, these hold up to a little bit more than just a light little impact. This is like my third priority. Definitely happy about getting this one swapped out though. And then this one here. Okay. I got both styles for the tail boom. Both the one that'll accommodate the round and the circular. There you go. That's the spare one. So yeah, you can run the old style ones, or you can put in the new style with the carbon fiber in it. Just got myself an extra spare set just in case. Anyways, all right. We'll see what it looks like when it's all wrapped up and put together. That's 4K. You guys can pause it whenever you want.